Assalamu alaikum student. This is Dr. A.Q. Khan School System and I am your KG teacher. This is your science book unit number 9. Our topic is living and non-living things. You know what are living things? Living things can move, eat and grow. Living things can move. Living things can move easily. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं, खाना खाते हैं और बड़े होते हैं. Living things can move, eat and grow. Just like plants, you know plants can grow. When you water the plants, they grow. छोटे छोटे पौधे कैसे बड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं ना. Plants can grow. Trees can grow. Animals can grow. Birds can grow. Insects and people are all living things. You know who are you? You are a living thing. You can move, eat and grow. All human beings are also living things. Living things can move, eat and grow. Plants, trees, animals, birds, insects and people are all living things. Okay, these are all living things. Birds are living things. Birds can eat, move and grow. Animals can move, eat and grow. Trees can move, eat and grow. Insects can also move and eat, grow. These are all pictures of living thing and you are also a living things. All human beings are also living things. You can move, eat and grow. Okay. Now on the next page, non-living things. These are all non-living things. Non-living things cannot eat. Non-living things cannot eat, move and grow. Just like rocks, water, toys, tables, chairs and sand. These are all non-living things. Toys can eat? No, they cannot eat. They cannot move by themselves and they cannot grow. Chairs cannot eat, cannot move and cannot grow. Sun is also a non-living thing. And your shoe is also a non-living thing. Just like rocks, water, toys, tables, chairs and sand. They cannot eat, move and grow. These are all non-living things. Okay. Now on page number 27, you have to color the living things and circle the non-living things. What are the living things? Yes, the tree is a living thing. Tree can grow, move and eat. It can eat, drink water and sunlight. Okay. Then a butterfly. Butterfly can easily move. You know, these two are the living things. You have to color these living things. And what are the non-living things? They cannot move and grow. A rock cannot move and grow. You have to circle the non-living things. And a chair also cannot move and grow. Do this page neatly and nicely. The next day, this is the copy work of living and non-living things. This is a worksheet attached on your copies. Circle the living things. You have to circle the living things. Which is the living things? Yes, you have to circle it. This is a living thing. Glasses are not a living thing. Okay, this plant is a living thing. You have to circle it. Is cycle is a living thing? No, it cannot move by itself. Okay, this is a living thing. The bird is a living thing. Butterfly is a living thing. Bear is a living thing. You have to draw one thing, a living thing and a non-living thing. Living thing, you can draw anything here. A living thing, just like I have drawn fish for you. You can draw butterfly, plant, flower, anything you want to draw. It is a living thing. Non-living thing, you can draw a ball, bat, any kind of toy which is a non-living thing. This is your home task. You have to do it carefully. Thank you.